Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
I really hope now this actually records. Can't be asked to record another time. Let's hope it works. Fuck me, it is a whoop. Oh, I got my ankle tappers on today. Welcome back, everybody. So this is like my third time. Yeah, so believe it or not, this is actually my third time recording this fucking video. I done it on the way home from getting the bike after the MOT was done. Everything is all sorted, resolved. There's 2 minors left. One is the plates and the other is the front actual disc itself, and that's about it that's left on the bike. I believe he done the front as well, the front caliper. I think he did. I think so. I'm not sure, I gave him both. Well, it was a bit trafficky today, considering. We'll get a filter through here. Woo! Warm behind that lorry. As I said in my other videos that had absolutely no fucking sound, finally passed my MOT. Thank God for that. I have moved the position of the mic as well to up here, not down here. Ooh, it's going past the rev limiter. Normally it would fucking really bog down past the, it would literally hit 10 RPM, 10k RPM and wouldn't even budge off it. Where's that lawnmower? My next plan now is, when I get a chance, come out for a ride with everyone, go out with the guys, etc. Have a bit of fun. I just got to try and tie it in with everything that I've got going on at the moment. Like, you know, with finishing off the baby's nursery and getting everything ready. I've almost paid off this bike now. I think there's like less than 100 quid left. So absolutely not long whatsoever left to go. So I can't wait for everything to be done. I am trying to sell stuff to make a bit of cash, but that's going to be spare cash for if needs be an emergency, and you know, try and direct it to my DAS as well if I can, but you know, other things come first, so I need to focus on my other stuff as well. Thank you. Before, you know, before the bike. So just had to fork out a fucking 110 quid just for to sort out the MOT. Sorry, more than 110. It would have been 130-ish, maybe more, a little bit more. So it is what it is. But it's entirely necessary now because obviously I've got it for a year, the MOT anyway. So hopefully it won't fail for the next person. But you know, there is some parts that need attention and care, and they didn't bring up my front wheel, so the front wheel was fine by the looks of it, which is good news because yeah. I really hope this episode is like fucking recording now. I'd be very fuming if it doesn't, because I don't want to be spending more money on a mic. Fuck me, that stinks, man. I'm going to take the little long road. It's not very little long road before I go up to my home. Just for you guys. and hopefully I wouldn't have wasted another fucking 20 minutes just trying to fucking record audio that keeps getting fucked by one of my adapters, which I gotta diagnose the issue really. I gotta test the mic itself, and then I gotta test the adapter itself, and then I gotta test the actual GoPro mic adapter itself. So it's just one of those things, stay there, but a lot of back and forth. It's a pain in the ass really, but I gotta get it done because I want to keep making content for you guys. As I did say in the other episode, I'm gonna try and keep my videos with you guys at, you know, 3 to 7 days, sorry, a week. So an episode every 3 to 6 or 3 to 7 days a week rather. Fucking hell, speak today, but it's because I haven't vlogged in so long, and then when I done it yesterday, done it perfect, 100%, got everything I need covered in what I wanted to actually say, and then the mic doesn't record because it's just silent. Now it's definitely disconnected on one of the sides, which is why it wasn't recording no sound. If there was an actual issue with the mic, then I assume it will most likely be an issue with connection, so not like a damaged cable, because if it's a damaged cable, basically all it is a copper wire separating it, so it could be left or right or stereo and then converted. You know, it's just one of those things. That's all the converter does really, is because GoPro, I think, is standard. I think it's reversed, actually, saying that. I think it's reversed where it records in stereo but needs converting to mono, and stereo is basically left and right, and it creates two separate audio tracks, which is what I was on about with when Jareth had that microphone issue. His converter, I believe it is his converter, or the mic itself records left and right, which is stereo, not mono. You need mono for merged tracks, so all it does is, you don't really need a converter, to be fair, unless obviously it's not compatible. Then it obviously won't record both the tracks, because then you could just combine it anyway, which is what I done on, when I had the Sony ECM. Sorry, I've gone off a bit on a tangent here, but we're getting through the day, and hopefully, fingers crossed, my mic is working and you can hear me clear as rain, clear as day. But yeah, I wanted to test out the mic on the top cheek pad, see how it goes with wind, see how it goes in terms of resistance, being, you know, in the wide open, etc. So anyways, if you like this video, throw a comment down below, hit the like button, and definitely hit the subscribe button. I could do with more subscribers now. We're almost close to 200. Let's go and get there, yeah? I will do my face reveal soon at some point. Just gotta be patient. I want to do it in a cinematic fashion. Peace.